What stresses many people about coming to the dentist is the drill and the needle. The laser does not require a drill or a needle. The laser desensitizes the tooth, and in many cases, there is a needle is not necessary, and a drill is not necessary. It uses a light beam which helps us treat the tooth as necessary and can fill the tooth. And then when we're done, patient feels their bite. They know that everything is coming together as it should, and it's comfortable, and they don't have this numbing sensation for another 2 or 3 hours. They feel themselves. And so it's a great experience, and patients are really positive and really appreciative that we've brought that technology to the practice. The Soleil laser uses light technology to tighten the tissue in the back of the throat with no discomfort. We use a little bit of topical anesthetic, but there is no discomfort and the ability to notice almost immediately that one breathes better. And if they're breathing better during the day, they're going to breathe better at night as well. If they're breathing better, they're sleeping better. If they're sleeping better, their bed partner is sleeping better as well. So it's a great procedure that has long lasting effects and can last up to 12 to 15 months before it might be necessary for another application. But it's a great way to get started to treat snoring and to have a better night's sleep for everybody in the house. Well, to begin with the laser, there's no needles. So that's really a lot of people have issues with the needles, and that's not necessary because the laser desensitizes the tooth and allows us to clean the tooth and prepare the tooth for the filling without getting the patient numb. With some other patients, the noise of the drill is really an issue. This is a different noise with the laser. In fact, it's not even really a noise. And so that really helps with anxiety as well. And so patients finish the procedure and they're just surprised at how quickly the procedure took, how it didn't take much time at all, how their bite feels good, how they aren't numb for hours afterwards. And so it's a great experience and takes away all the anxiety that most patients experience or expect they're going to have when they come to the dentist. They won't have those experiences. So the Soleil laser, which is what we use in our practice, is unique in that it can help us not only with working on teeth that have cavities and need fillings and desensitizes them so a needle is not necessary and a drill is not necessary. But there are other issues where a patient may have an ulcer or they may have a growth inside their mouth, on their inside of their cheek or their tongue, or a tongue tie. Those kinds of things can be treated so much easier with a laser with minimal downtime, non-invasively. The recovery is so much faster. And so it's a really great technology that just makes all those processes so much easier than they used to be. Reassuring a patient that they are going to have a great experience is what we try to do every day. We can say to a patient, when we use the laser, you're not going to need the needle. You are not going to hear a drill. This is going to be a very quick and easy experience for you. You will not be numb for hours afterwards. You'll be able to eat exactly what you want immediately as soon as we're finished the procedure. So much easier on the patient and to provide them with a better experience than they've ever had before. I appreciate avoidance of anything because of fear, and it's a very difficult process to work through. The challenge with avoiding dentistry is that the mouth is the gateway to the overall health of our body. And if our mouths are not healthy, then it can be very difficult for the rest of us to be healthy. There's so much connection between oral health and body health that it really needs to start there. From cavities, gum disease, and all that connection with heart disease and low prenatal birth weight and strokes and dementia, Alzheimer's, all those things are connected to the health of our mouth. So if someone has a fear of dentistry, Let's get through that together so that we can not only help your mouth be healthy, but your overall body be healthy as well.